Have you ever wondered how crocodiles end up dying if they don't age biologically? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? When we talk about biological aging, we're referring to the process that progressively degrades the functions of an organism, often leading to death. This is a universal phenomenon in the animal kingdom, or so we thought. Enter the crocodiles. These ancient reptiles are a fascinating exception. They do not show the typical signs of aging. In fact, a 200-year-old crocodile could look and function almost the same as its 20-year-old counterpart. It's as if they found a loophole in the law of nature, defying the process of biological aging. But don't mistake this for immortality. Crocodiles can still die, but aging doesn't drive them towards their end like it does for most creatures. So if crocodiles don't age like other creatures, what causes their demise? It's fascinating to think that crocodiles could be immortal, isn't it? But as with most things in life, it's not as simple as it seems. Crocodiles, these ancient reptiles that have roamed our planet for more than 200 million years, possess a unique trait. They do not age biologically. Unlike humans, their organs do not deteriorate over time, and their bodies do not weaken as they grow older. On the contrary, they continue to grow stronger and larger throughout their entire lives. However, this biological immortality does not shield them from death. While they might not succumb to old age, crocodiles are not immune to external threats or changes in their environment. For instance, disease is a significant factor contributing to their mortality. Parasites, viruses, and bacteria can infiltrate their robust systems, leading to fatal illnesses. And while crocodiles are apex predators, they are not exempt from becoming prey themselves. Larger crocodiles, sharks, or even humans can pose a threat to their survival. Furthermore, environmental changes can also take a toll on these seemingly indestructible creatures. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change can drastically affect their food sources and breeding grounds. A crocodile's survival largely depends on its ability to adapt to these changes, and sometimes adaptation is simply not enough. It's also worth noting that as crocodiles grow older and larger, they require more food to sustain their energy levels. This constant need for food can lead them into dangerous situations, increasing their risk of injury and death. So while crocodiles may seem immortal, they are still at the mercy of their environment and other outside factors. Despite their biological immortality, crocodiles, like all creatures on Earth, are bound by the intricate and relentless web of life. Now that we've unraveled the mystery of crocodile aging, let's take a closer look at their lifespan. Crocodiles are among the longest living creatures on our planet, with an average lifespan that can range from 70 to 100 years. This is a remarkable feat, considering that this is significantly longer than the lifespan of most other animals. Imagine a century of basking in the sun, lurking in the water, and ruling their territory unchallenged. What's even more fascinating is that their aging process doesn't follow the typical biological rules. Unlike most species, crocodiles don't show signs of aging and maintain a robust health until their very last days. This remarkable trait of crocodiles is not just a cool fact for trivia night, but it holds profound implications for human aging research. By understanding the secrets of the crocodile's longevity, we could potentially unlock new ways to extend human life and improve health in our golden years. So, while we may not see crocodiles living forever, their unique aging process still has a lot to teach us. The world of crocodiles is indeed fascinating, isn't it? We've delved into the enigma of their aging process, unraveled the immortality paradox, and explored the intricacies of their lifespan. It's a captivating journey that challenges our understanding of life and aging. To recap, crocodiles, although seemingly ageless in a biological sense, are not immortal. Their longevity isn't determined by the ticking clock of aging as we humans understand it. Instead, it's the external factors, disease, predation, and the harsh realities of their environment that dictate their lifespan. Their survival is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, a true marvel of nature. So while crocodiles don't age the way we do, they still face challenges that can lead to their demise. They're a potent reminder that life, in all its diverse forms, is a complex and wondrous interplay of factors. If you find this tip helpful and want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button and click the notification button for more videos. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comments below for your thoughts. stay healthy.